What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I am Viraj from SS Cyberspace. Today I am going to show you guys how to download a YouTube video to your PC or a laptop. So it's easy and legit. So there are many ways in Google to download YouTube videos. I'm going to get one of that method and show you guys how to download the YouTube video to your PC or laptop. So let's get into the video.
Guys, first of all, you must go to the Google and go to YouTube. Select a YouTube video that you're going to download. So go to the video that you're going to download like this way, and here's the link up here. Copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C and open a new tab and search here YouTube video download. Search here YouTube video download. Then you will see the second link, https://save-from.net. So go to that and paste the link here, then download. Then here you can select the types and all. 370 is there. I'm going to select 306, that's the lowest. Then you will go to another site. Just go back to the same site and close this and press these three dots and click download. Then it will download. There you go, it's downloaded. Now I'm gonna press it and you will see that it will be running in the Windows Media Player. Here we go.
Thank you guys for watching this video. So that's it for today. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys.